Hi. So the question was asked, how do you play Don't Be Greedy or Boom? Same game um, on Wordwall. And I'm going to show you what I do. This is kind of how I have my games organized, but I come to my notebooks in OneNote and I go to my games and resources. And then I have everything kind of labeled here. So you can see, like I've got a bunch of 5.8 has a Don't Be Greedy. It has another Boom game, but that's a spinner type. Um, all that kind of stuff. Odd one out, blah, blah, blah. Okay, but I'm going to go to this 5.2. So this is adding new suffixes like less and ness and full. And that's the one that I'm going to play. It's a word wall game. And so what you're going to do is you're going to, like, let's say it's my turn first. Okay, my turn first. I'm going to deal and I'm going to read aimlessness, mostly, helpfully. Okay, now I'm going to say, all right, I want to stop and I'm going to get to keep my 3 points right there. Okay, now it's the student's turn. Now, typically as a tutor, I usually only read 2 or 3 cards because obviously the goal is to get them to read as many cards as they can. So it's their turn and they get what essentially is a boom card or a don't be greedy card. So your student, I wouldn't write down any points for. So my turn again, haplessly, manly. All right, I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to stop. So now I have 5 points and the student has none. So it's their turn. Commitment, brainless, totally. Oh, I want to get one more. Blissfulness. Okay, I'm going to stop with 4. Okay, my turn. I get 0 points. Okay, student's turn. They get shyness, vocally, strictly. Shoot, nothing. Okay, so they get no points. So the score right now is 5-3. Student has 3 points. I have 5 points. Okay, my turn. Nothing. Okay, students. Figment, successfully. Shoot, nothing. So you can see this is how we're going to play until the end of the game. I'm not going to show you this whole thing. This is a really large deck for a don't be greedy game or a boom game, depending on what you want to call it. But that's kind of how you play. So you just sort of gamble on if you can turn the card over and not get whatever this is. Usually if it says like this is playfulness, I've seen Star Wars ones, I've seen dragon ones, I've seen just about anything. So they're super common. The other place that they are always linked is going to be in the Dyslexia tutoring toolkit. So if you use that portal to get in, these are also all labeled. So, you know, like we can look in 4.6 right now. Let's see. Read schwa and smell the flowers. So this would be another type of don't be greedy game, I think. So if they get the flower on this one, that would be the one. Okay, so distant, gravel, oh, stop and smell the flowers. Okay, so that's their boom card essentially. So that's it. I hope that tutorial is helpful and let me know if you have any questions.